Today we're taking a look at a beard and body wash. Now obviously I've got a body, but you might be wondering why I'm doing a beard wash video. Well, it's because it's not just for a full beard. It's for goatee beards, it's for medium length beards, it's for all beards and mustaches, which I think we can all agree I definitely have one of those. Which is why Luxurious Bastard sent me out their beard and body wash in the dark scent. It came in a 8-ounce plastic container with a pop type lid. Now the scent profile of this has a lot of different scents in it. However, mostly my nose picks up the cedar, black pepper, as well as the musk. Your nose, however, may very well pick up some of those other scents in there that mine does not. The ingredients in this beard and body wash has a few of the ingredients that I'm not even going to attempt to say, so therefore I have indeed put them up on screen for you. To use this beard and body wash, you simply scrub it into your beard like you would any other beard wash, making sure that you're getting all the way down to the skin and all the way out to the tips of the mustache. My experience using the beard and body wash by Luxurious Bastard was a fairly good one. It definitely gets you clean. Now, I have to say that I did not use it very often for a body wash. In fact, I used it a grand total of 1 time as a body wash. And that's because I'm just simply not a body wash kind of guy. And I'm kind of glad that I'm not, because that means that this bottle is going to last me a whole lot longer than it would have. Now, if you're going to use this as a body wash, I highly suggest using a loofah so that you're not having to use as much of it. Now, although it's winter and I'm not over at the shop getting my beard and my mustache too horribly dirty, I did go over to my buddy's place and we worked on my truck. This means I got anything from oil to a little bit of coolant in my goatee and my mustache. I have to say that I was very pleasantly surprised about how quickly this got all of that junk out of my beard and my mustache without any extra scrubbing to get the oils out. So this did a very good job on getting my goatee and my mustache nice and clean every time that I used it. And every time that I did use it, I was very happy about the amount of lather that I could get out of just the little bit of it that I was using on my goatee and mustache. And like it shouldn't, it didn't leave any residue or any feeling except for the hair feeling nice and clean. Now, coming in at $20 for the 8-ounce container, I would have to say that for a beard wash, I think that's a pretty good price for how much of this you are getting. Now, for a beard and a body wash, unless if you're a really hairy guy, I would suggest sticking with a cheaper body wash and using this just on your facial hair, because this 8 ounces is gonna last you quite a while, and therefore it's worth the 20 bucks that you're gonna spend on this. Now, if you want to get yourself this beard and body wash to try for yourself and one of the other scents available, make sure to check out the link in the video description, as well as while you're over there on his site, make sure to check out some of the fantastic men's accessories that he's got over there, like this Nordic compass ring that I've been wearing on and off for the last month or so. And to see my thoughts on the co-wash, make sure to check out this video up here. Down below, it's going to be one that you may enjoy as well. Until next time, as always, you have a good one.